15. The fool hath said. Some years ago, I knew someone who was thoroughly insane, but having had a lifetime of scientific experience, was also totally logical. Beginning with a very insane premise, this person then reasoned logically from it. The premise was absurd, but all the thinking based on it was rational and logical. Scripture tells us, quote, "The fool hath said in his heart, There is no God." Psalm 14:1, 53:1. The fool may be rich or poor, well-educated or poorly schooled, but he is a fool if his starting point is that there is no God. However logical he may be thereafter, his thinking has a false premise. This is why we are told, "Keep thy heart with all diligence, for out of it are the issues of life." Proverbs 4:23. A man's thinking, living, and feelings are determined by his heart, his core of faith and commitment. The issues or sources of life are governed and determined by our faith. The fundamental thing in all life is that God is God and the universe and man are his creation. If we don't begin with this premise, we're fools, and all our thinking is foolish. We've then bypassed the basic fact in all creation, and our thinking is warped thereby. The Hebrew word translated as fool is nabal, meaning stupid, wicked, and a fool. It implies both a moral flaw as well as an intellectual one, and it begins in the heart of man.